If you don't know what this video is about, let me explain. I posted a video about the YouTube thumbnail test tool called Test&Compare a while back. Really excited about the tool, and in that video I wanted you to join in on my experiment. In other words, I asked you to like and comment what kind of thumbnail YouTube showed you, because I was going to use the new free YouTube tool. So this video you're currently watching is a follow-up to that video, and in this one I will reveal how unbelievable the test and compare results are. But first, let me tell a small backstory why I was really excited about this tool and the test. As you might know, testing different thumbnails on YouTube is nothing new. For instance, I've been doing it for many years on other channels I've had, since the thumbnail is usually the first thing you see when you're scrolling on YouTube, and that is why it's also the thing that makes you curious enough to click on the video. And that's really important, because getting a click is the first step to get a view. If no one clicks on the video, no one is watching the video, and then the creator is not happy at all, like me. I've been using TubeBuddy in the past for my thumbnail testing. It is a paid tool, but it's really amazing, and it has a ton of useful features for every creator. Check it out if you want. I have a link down below. But as most creators do when they start out, I also started thumbnail testing manually. What does manually mean? It means that first I made the best thumbnail ever, at least in my opinion. I posted a video, very happy and jumping with joy, excited to get millions of views. Unfortunately, that was not the reality at all. It was something else. The click-through rate might have been poor, so I had to do another thumbnail and wait for the results again. Basically, rinse and repeat. Doing the testing manually is time-consuming, and in my opinion, it really does not help the video to skyrocket from the beginning. That's why I use TubeBuddy, to save time and effort. And that's the same reason why I was so damn happy and excited that YouTube released their own free thumbnail testing tool. And as I showed you on the previous video, it's really simple to use. So I have high hopes for the results. And now it's time to actually look at the results of the test. I made 3 different thumbnails for the test and the test video, and I named them A, B and C, and asked you, the viewer, to comment what thumbnail YouTube showed you. Actually, I didn't get as many replies I was hoping for, but a big thank you to every one of you who took the time to comment on the video. I got 7 comments, and of those 7, YouTube showed thumbnail A to 4 people, thumbnail B to 2 people, and thumbnail C to 1 person. Based on the video comments, it is safe to say that A was being pushed out the most on the platform. But let's see what YouTube statistics have to say, or the tool statistics. This is just unbelievable. The test finished without a conclusive result. Well, that was shit. If you have tried the tool yourself, tell me in the comments what kind of results you have gotten. I think that this is a serious problem for smaller channels without massive amount of subscribers. After starting the testing of the tool, I think I had between 50 to 55 subscribers. But I might be wrong also. Let's look at the metrics of the video, impressions and all that, why the test might have gone this way. First, let's look at the impressions and click-through rate. This is actually really low, especially the click-through rate of 2.2%. I think this might be the worst performing video I've ever had, or I've ever made. But it's really difficult to say why. All thumbnails were crap maybe, or 2 out of 3 were, and no one clicked on them, I don't know. We would have the answer if YouTube would let us know, which was the whole idea with the test tool. This is just unbelievable. I know that my videos don't get that much views anyway, since I'm a small creator, but let's look at different video statistics. This is my last video, and as you can see, the click-through rate is much better. And on this video actually, I didn't use any A/B testing whatsoever. I think someone said that above 4% is a good click-through rate, but don't quote me on that one. I reckon that higher is always better, but above 4 is not totally shit anyways. I also checked more on my videos, and the CTR click-through rate was between 4 and 7%. So it is safe to say that 2.2 is not good at all. In conclusion, the results of the test and compare tool is unbelievable. Unbelievable shit if you're a small creator with not a lot of subscribers like in my case. Or maybe it's just me and my channel, I don't know. But I cannot recommend this tool at all to smaller channels at this point. So use something else, or do it manually, or don't test at all. Seems to be better too.